What's going on, people? We're back out here again, back at the same food plot. It's a big plot. Last time I was out here, we did a lot of leaf blowing and cut down some more trees so we can open up the canopy and let some sunlight in. Like I said, some of these trees are too big and I don't feel comfortable cutting them because one, it's not my property. Two, if he wanted to come back and make some money off this, he can do it. I just cut down the little ones. But what I am going to do with some of these, as you can see, there's still spots of sunlight that's not getting through, like right here, the big shade spot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hack and squirt some of these trees. So I brought my axe and a little spray bottle, herbicide in it, and go through and show you what that is. And then we're also gonna go around and pick up most of these big logs and stuff I done already cut down and start stacking them over somewhere. Just get them out the way for now, so I can see what else needs to be blowed out and cleared, and see what else I could cut down and see exactly the range I already saw when I filmed this morning, just to get the aerial view and what it looked like from above. I can see there's some leaves and stuff I still want to push out and get over to make the food plot a little wider in this area. That spot, I just got to go over there and finish blowing it out and pick up the brush. But like I said, today we're focusing on getting the ground cleaned up, doing some hack and squirts, and we'll probably just lay out what we're gonna do for stands, figure out the wind, you know, finish game plan as much as I can. The seed for the food plot should be in sometime this upcoming week, so we'll get out here. I got a little rototiller for the weed whacker, so I can go ahead and attach that. And all I gotta do is disturb the ground. With this one, it says you don't have to, but I want a pretty good plot for me and the landowner, so I'm gonna go out here and till it up just a little bit, just walk around and disturb the ground all over, then come in and spread the seed in. But all right, so with that, I think it's time we go ahead and get to work. We got the backpack blower, we got the chainsaw, we got the wicked tree saw, we got the handsaw. And I brought some straps and stuff to help me get down the other tree stands by myself. We got time where to get to that too, but I'm not banking on it. But all right, guys, let's get to work. All right, now that we got all the brush and stuff moved off the ground here, it's already clear, just the little stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and get the leaf blower out. We're gonna push this area here back just probably about 10 more feet, you know, open this up a little more. And we're gonna circle back around to the other side and finish that. So, let's get it. Alright, so now we're over here at the other part, the little cul-de-sac horseshoe area I've been telling you about. That's what I blew out was over there behind you. We got all this brush here. It kind of keeps, if the deer come in through here, hid from anything over there where the main plot's gonna be. So if my stand is over there, over here in the corner, the deer won't see me until they cross this plane. And I probably wouldn't be able to see them too well either unless I heard something and looked this way. But as you see, we got a lot of brush in here, cut down. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this area up and blow this all out as well. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, so we got the leaves blown, we got the brush up, we cleared the area over there. We got one last thing we want to do before we get out of here. But that's the hack and squirt. So it's pretty simple. You know, same herbicide I use to kill all the brush out here. I come out, put something in a squirt bottle, I take an axe, hack at a tree a couple times at a downward angle just to get in there. Spray the herbicide in there so it holds. You can you come around again if you want to do 2 spots. And that tree will eventually die, and all the leaves it's gonna grow, it's gonna die off, it's gonna fall. But then for years to come, there'll be no more leaves, which means it'll help open the canopy and keep me from cutting down some more trees. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do this to the rest of the property, but the camera's about to die, so you won't be able to watch me. But with that, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. And again, we're gonna come back and we do the follow-up when we see and then when the stuff grows. But with that being said, we're gonna wrap this episode up as always with love, peace, Afro Grease. Peace.